took a very unexpected turn. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Kristen and I post DIY, lifestyle, and shop with me videos every week. If you like all of those things, please consider subscribing to my channel and hit that little notification bell so you don't miss a future video. Today we are going to be doing a day in the life vlog with me. I hope this is something that you guys are interested in. Today's vlog is actually going to cover my day one of my weight loss journey, so we'll see how that goes. I'm just gonna bring you guys along with like my plan and what I'm doing, like what I'm actually eating in the day, working out, the struggles, how to get over humps, or you can just crash with me sometimes. Today we're gonna be doing that, taking Ollie for a walk and running some errands. We actually end up going to Five Below unexpectedly and do an entire haul from Five Below and Ross, so definitely stick around and check that out because I bought all of the things that I wanted to from my previous video. Without further ado, let's get started. Finally mustered up enough motivation to get out for a walk, so I guess I'm going to take Ollie for a couple walks around the block. Let's get going. Okay guys, so I have the best life hack for you ever. So if you go to Starbucks, get a grande cold brew and ask for it in a large cup and tell them that you want extra ice and extra room at the top. So the reason for this is that most of the time they'll actually put in way more and like try and fill it towards the top so you get a lot more for your money. They usually have half and half. If you ask for almond milk, they'll give it to you. Well, don't let the dog. Adventure, and on the way back up I got a notification that my Washbox stuff was done. Washbox is this service in LA. I don't know, they might have it other places too, but there's like a little locker room in my apartment complex where you can go take clothes that you want to get dry cleaned and put them in the lockers. They'll come pick it up, do it, and then drop it back off in the lockers. So I just picked it up. They did like all of my work clothes and it was really good. And this is not sponsored in any way, by the way. I'm just letting you know that this is a service and it's available. My coat definitely doesn't have any more cat fur on it, so that's a good thing.
A few moments later.
So it is 1 o'clock and I am feeling snacky, like very snacky. I just want to go out and eat. So I'm really trying, I'm like trying to chug water. I don't know what it is. I'm not hungry, but I'm just constantly thinking about food. I don't know what to do. I need to distract myself. I am craving fruit so bad. I'm so addicted to sugar. It's not okay. So in an effort to avoid coming out and stuffing my face with anything that's in my cabinet, I am just going to make a very low calorie snack, which is going to consist of this chunk like tuna, and I'm gonna mix it with a little bit of light mayo, and I'm going to eat it with cucumbers. I'm very surprised that this is actually this good. Guys, make sure you're following me on Instagram because I post these kinds of things every single day. The other thing that is so good is this stuff. It is peanut butter powder, and this one is the chocolate one, and guys, it tastes like Nutella. You just mix 2 tablespoons of powder with 1 tablespoon of water, and it is literally like cake batter. And you can just like lick it off a little mini spoon. It tastes like you're eating something like so sinful. So I'm procrastinating going to the gym right now. So I think I'm going to paint my nails because I'm trying to save some money and figure out what we're gonna do at the gym, because honestly, I just don't wanna run on the treadmill, so. So people say that girls can't get muscly, but I'm here to tell you that they can, because I do very easily. And I just kind of need somebody to show me some fun stuff for the gym and what I should be doing for my body type and my goals. And I also want someone to like tell me what the best food plan would be for me. Like, I want them to take blood samples and body measurements and tell me exactly what I need to do, because I'm tired of trial and error. So if anybody knows of any good ones, let me know.
Hi, I'm Amber Namitas, and I'm here at Live in Fitness in Los Angeles, California. I'm going to teach you how to get rid of the sagging and creepy skin underneath your arms today. So,
one thing that I will say, and I have to remind myself all the time, is that usually when I'm done eating something, I'm still hungry. But if I just wait like 15 minutes, like right now my food is actually starting to hit my stomach and I'm starting to feel satisfied. Whereas normally I would just continue to raid the kitchen and pick at stuff until this feeling hit, and then it's an overload of food. So these are like reminders to myself, and if anyone can pick up any tips and tricks off of this, then that's so great. But future Kristen, who's watching this later, just relax, breathe, finish your food, wait a good half hour before you start eating anything else, and drink lots of water because you're probably thirsty. This is gonna be hard. Get my mind off of all this other stuff and let's do some work. And it's about 7 o'clock now, and I really have to go get cat litter, and I kind of want to go get a yoga mat so that when I go down to the gym, I'm not like on their crappy floor mats. I know this is kind of just procrastinating the gym, but it's day one. I did a really long walk with the dog, and I'm gonna go walk around there and prep for tomorrow. I keep telling myself that. Whatever, let's go. Okay guys, my camera died while I was there, but I did buy a lot of stuff. Yeah, we did. I got you some stuff too. Okay, so today took a very unexpected turn. So real quick, before we get into this haul, I just want to say that eating healthy and going for a walk, like a long walk today, made me feel so much better. I'm finally starting to feel like myself again, and I haven't in weeks. I was just, and it was really hard to start in the morning. Like, I struggled a lot throughout the day. But while I was out, I got a poke bowl with no rice or anything. It was just like a salad. I'll insert a picture here. And there were so many times when I was at like Home Goods and stuff where I just wanted to go and get some sugar because I was crashing hard, and like I was in the middle of shopping and I was running around and all I wanted was sugar or candy. Yeah, I didn't do it, and I feel so good right now. Anyway, let's get into the haul. So the original reason why we went was to get some gym stuff. So I actually picked up this 8-pound medicine ball, and it was only $5, and I think that I will be able to use it a lot. I was gonna actually get dumbbells too, but I thought let's start with this because I can use this for like sit-ups. I can also use it for arms. So if I actually start working out in my apartment, then I'll go get the rest of the stuff. The original plan was to get a yoga mat, but they weren't really thick, and I really need a thick yoga mat, so I think I'm just gonna order one online. But I did get this instead. It's a yoga bag to keep your yoga mat in and like carry it around with you. So if I'm gonna go to a yoga class or go down to the gym, I can take my yoga mat with me in this. And I used to have a yoga mat, I don't know what happened to it, and it would just keep unfolding and stuff, but I thought this was so cute. It's a little galaxy bag, and it has like a zipper so you can keep stuff in it, and I'm very excited. Now I just need a yoga mat. $5 from Five Below. They have a bunch of different styles too. I finally caved, and I bought one of these boards, and I know they've been out for forever, but it was only $5 at Five Below, and I thought since I'm doing a Five Below haul now, I will just get one. And guys, if you're not following me on Instagram, make sure that you are, because I will be featuring this and all of my Five Below stuff on there. So here is my tag. It is at Hello Kristen TUB. I don't know if I am gonna really like this. I might return it, we'll see. It is this, I just got this on a whim. So I needed something to go here. As you can see, it still says December 2018. And I loved this calendar, but I can't find it again. We'll see if this actually works out, but you guys know I'm all into the crystals and stuff right now, and it is this little crystal poster, and it's light pink. Honestly, the light pink really, really got me. I was thinking here. Oh yeah, it goes here, okay. And I think I'm gonna just have to adjust the strap and bring it up a little bit, but it is cute. It's a perfect placeholder until I find something I really, really love. The last two things I'm so excited about. This moon mirror. Guys, I've seen this so many times, and I don't know why I never bought it. I wanted it so bad. I've been thinking about it for like weeks now, and I finally went and got it. I don't know where I'm gonna put it. I will show you on my Instagram channel what I end up doing with this, but $5. I'm so excited. And this is probably the best one. I got this little pink stool. Can you believe that this was $5 from Five Below? It is gushy and pink, and it's the perfect pink color. Oh my god, $5. You can order this on their website, I think, too, and I'm gonna keep it underneath my computer desk. And all of that, I bought all of that stuff at Five Below, and I only spent $31.76. Okay, moving over to Ross. So all of these things are right in the same little area. Now, this is one of my favorite hacks for pets. I love going to like Ross and stuff and buying baby blankets for the dog. So this little baby blanket was only $5.99, and it is so soft and gushy, and I put it in his dog bed, and like if we go to travel anywhere, I'll put it in his travel case, and I switch them out all the time, like with all the seasons, and they just have the cutest little patterns. Oh, see, the inside's nice and gushy. He's gonna love it. Since we got something for Ollie, I had to get something for Sharkbait, because Sharkbait just got a line cut, and he is a cold little kitty. By the way, guys, Ollie and Sharkbait also have their own Instagram, so make sure you follow them. It's Ollie_and_Sharkbait, and I will leave the tag right here. If you're following them, you will know that Sharkbait just got a line cut, and he has been a cold little kitty. So I got this really cute little, it's like a little cat hut. I have a feeling that Ollie's gonna use it more than Sharkbait, but it's really cute, and it's really like rich looking, and it was, I think, $14.99, but the inside is so nice and soft. Anyway, I thought it would keep him warm, so we'll see if he uses it. He never really ever uses anything that I buy for him, but ooh, he's going in it. Yes. Oh my god, I think he likes it. Yes. Stay in there. Oh, damn. I also got this from Ross. It was only $10, and it's like a really gushy anti-fatigue kitchen mat. So this is gonna go in my kitchen. This is something I really didn't need, but it is a computer laptop tray. One side will stay flat for like your mouse or if you have food, and then this side props up. I don't know, we'll try it out. We'll see how it goes. I will keep you updated. And last but not least, and I am so upset, the bag slipped and one of the pieces broke. Actually, I don't know if it was many. So let me insert a picture here of what I was about to buy. Look at how cute it is. I'm not even gonna take them out of the bag. You see what they were supposed to look like. I have the receipt. I'm not even gonna attempt and cut myself on it. I'm probably gonna end this vlog here. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit that little notification bell so you don't miss a future video. Let me know how you like these vlog style videos. I don't know if you're actually interested in that or not. Let me know how I can improve, what you like. Tell me what you wanna see, and I will deliver. All right, guys, I'm going to bed. It's so late. Until next time.